You ain't been nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You uh-oh. Is this thing really on? Oh, well, hi. It's rather embarrassing. This is Rob Houston, and you will be crying if you continue to listen to me sing, but I want you to make plans for Friday night to come here to the Stride Bank Center Grand Ballroom to hear a real live Elvis impersonator. It's one of 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. One of the best Elvis impersonators out there will be right here in Enid on Friday night. It's Travis Ledoyt will be performing here at the Stride Bank Center Grand Ballroom. Travis Ledoyt is a singer, songwriter, and performer. He gained notoriety with his tribute to Elvis starting way back in 2001, and he's since garnered high praise with those that knew Elvis personally, and has been dubbed the world's best young Elvis. Now, Travis will not only do Elvis Presley songs, he'll also be singing songs from Roy Orbison, Johnny Cash, Jerry Lee Lewis, Carl Perkins, and more. Tickets are $40, $50, and $60, and they're available at the Stride Bank Center Administration Office or at the door on Friday night. Don't miss it. Travis Ledoyt, Elvis impersonator, Friday night, 7 p.m. here at the Stride Bank Center Grand Ballroom. The calendar turns to September on Friday. That means one thing. It's a First Friday in downtown Enid. This month's theme is Speakeasy September. It'll be a lot of fun in the downtown area as we step back in time to the roaring 20s for an unforgettable night of swanky vibes, toe-tap and jazz, and secret passcodes for drinks and exclusive store discounts. Again, it's First Friday, 6 until 9, Friday night. It's Speakeasy September in downtown Enid. A new temporary exhibit opens Friday at the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center. It's called How We Rebuild. This is a photography exhibit that tells the other half of war stories after the conflict has ended and what it takes for individuals to rebuild destroyed lives and homes, restore civil societies, and recover the heartbeat of humanity. This special exhibit comes from Exhibits USA. It runs through October 20th. And it should be a very powerful exhibit to show the aftermath of war. Again, that starts Friday. The Heritage Center's open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. The special exhibit is called How We Rebuild. If you're making plans to go to the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center, why not go on Saturday between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. to enjoy History Alive in the village there at the Heritage Center. History Alive is where reenactment characters portray life as it was on the Cherokee outlet at the time of the Great Land Run of 1893. Admission is free with the regular museum admission price. Don't miss History Alive Saturday, 11 until 3 at the Cherokee Strip Regional Heritage Center. Rowdy Stick Horse holds its weekly farmers market on Saturday. That will run from 8 a.m. until noon at their location on South Hoover. The Ski Lake Redbird Farm Triathlon is Saturday, beginning at 8 a.m. There'll be sprint, Olympic, and half-mile events for adults on Saturday. And that's 4 or more reasons to visit Enid this week. And we invite you here to the Stride Bank Center Grand Ballroom on Friday night for Travis Ledoyt, an Elvis impersonator. For more information on all the events coming to Enid, go to our website, visitenid.org. Wise men say only fools